Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology Classroom once again. Actually, due to my illness, I was not able to make the videos before the Puja vacation. So today I will start urinary system disorders. So look at the book. There are a number of common urinary system disorders that can occur in our body. Let us learn about some of them. Urinary tract infection. It is also known as UTIs. An infection which happen in the urinary tract is called an urinary tract infection or UTI. It is a kind of infection which actually occur in the urinary tract. That's why it is also known as urinary tract infection or UTI. UTIs are experienced by millions of people each year around the world. However, women are more susceptible to UTIs. The UTIs are caused by the bacteria such as E. coli, which are found in the digestive tract and then often make their ways into the urinary system. So normally, E. coli, which actually present inside our digestive system, is basically responsible for the UTIs. When introduced in the urinary tract, E. coli multiplies and result in an infection. मतलब हम लोग जब E. coli को सस्पेक्ट करेंगे तब वो नॉर्मली इन्फेक्शन ऑलरेडी फैला चुका है. Other microorganism known as chlamydia and mycoplasma can also cause urinary tract infection in both men and women. So normally E. coli is responsible for the infection of UTI. Basically, it is found in women. But in case of men and women, here is the chlamydia and mycoplasma. Both are the microorganisms are responsible. The most common treatment for urinary tract infection is antibiotics. तो नॉर्मली यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन होने पे हम लोग सिर्फ मेडिसिन ले सकते हैं. Over 90% of UTIs can be cured with oral antibiotics. Drinking lots of water and keeping hygiene also help to prevent UTIs. So if we intake lots of water and maintain our personal hygiene, we can also prevent the UTIs. Next, bladder control problems. Another common problem is loss of bladder control. It is also called urinary incontinence. Some of the treatments that can help are, तो नॉर्मली अगर ब्लैडर का यूरिनरी ब्लैडर जो है उसका अगर कंट्रोल बिगड़ जाए तो उस प्रॉब्लम को हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? ब्लैडर कंट्रोल. लॉस ऑफ ब्लैडर कंट्रोल. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ यूरिनरी incontinence. Bladder or behavior training helps to control urine flow. Next, exercises that strengthen the bladder outlet. Number 3, medication and surgery. These are the 4 points which actually control the bladder behavior. First one is a bladder or behavior training helps to control urine flow. Next, exercise that strengthen the bladder outlet. Third one is medication, medicine. And the last one is surgery. Next, kidney stones. The solid deposits that occur in the urinary system are called kidney stone. This point is very important. The solid deposits which actually occurred in the urinary tract or urinary system, these are called kidney stones. They form inside the kidneys out of the substances found in urine. तो नॉर्मली यूरिन में जो सॉलिड सब्सटेंसेस डिपॉजिट हो रहा है वही फॉर्म कर रहा है किडनी स्टोन. दे मे रिमेन इन द किडनी और मूव थ्रू बाय यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट. तो नॉर्मली किडनी स्टोन जो है ये किडनी में स्टोर भी हो सकता है और इट मे मूव थ्रू यूरिनरी ट्रैक्ट. In some cases, where it is a very small stone, it may pass out of the body without much pain. नॉर्मली अगर ये स्टोन बहुत छोटा होता है तो यूरिन के साथ ये बाहर निकल जाता है विदाउट मच पेन, मगर दर्द होने मतलब दर्द होता ही नहीं है. However, if it is a larger in size, अगर ये साइज में थोड़ा बड़ा हो गया मतलब बड़ा हो जाएगा तो it can get lodged anywhere in the ureter, bladder or urethra. तो अगर ये थोड़ा आकार में बड़ा हो जाता है तो नॉर्मली ये यूरेटर, ब्लैडर और यूरेथ्रा में किसी भी जगह पे ये स्टोर हो सकता है. In these cases, it can be very painful and also block the flow of urine. So when normally larger stone deposit in ureter, bladder or urethra, it is actually very painful situation and it also block the flow of urine. Based on the severity of this case, it may also require surgery to remove the stone. So in this case, surgery is most important. Medication and special diet also help to prevent kidney stone. So student, I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.